36 minus 6 divided by 2 times parenthesis 2 plus 4. This is classic math question. Many trying to solve this question but they failed. I will solve with the help of PEMDAS here, and you can say classic mathematics. So many are solving in a way like 36 minus 6, which equals to 30 here, divided by 2 times 2 plus 4, which equals to 6, and 30 divided by 6, they will get answer what? 15 times 6, and they simply write answer 90 here. But this is not the right way. I will show you how you can solve with PEMDAS. Okay, so we will rewrite our question here, which is 36 minus 6 divided by 2 times parenthesis 2 plus 4 here. Okay, so according to PEMDAS, first preference will be given to parenthesis. So we will do parenthesis part first, this one, and 4 plus 2, which equals to 6 here. So we will simply write our question again. 36 minus 6 divided by 2 times 6 here. Now again, we have three operations, that is subtraction, division, and multiplication. And as we know, subtraction have the lowest priority, so we will operate this in last at last. And according to PEMDAS, multiplication and division have the same priority. And in that case, we have to operate left to right here. Okay. So when we operate left to right, we will get what? 36 minus 6 divided by 2 will give result 3 here. So we will write 3 times 6. Now again, multiplication and division, multiplication, subtraction, we have higher priority in multiplication. So we'll do multiply here. So we will write 36 minus 6 times 3, which give result 18 here. So we will write 18 here. Now 36 minus 18 will give result 18. So here right answer is 18. And try to solve all this math question and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.